Hi everyone, you're watching Video Gaming Over 40 and this is VGO Girl, and today we're going to talk about how we do thumbnails. Now this particular thing, I found a thumbnail maker that I really love. It's got more options than any of the other thumbnail makers that I found that I like. So I just went into the YouTube store and I searched for thumbnail maker, and as you can see with the little cloud icon, I tried quite a few of them, at least 5 or 6 others, and they were all lacking a feature that this particular thumbnail maker has. So search in your app store for the thumbnail banner maker. Now I'm going to go ahead and open the app, and the first thing I do is I want to create a new one. And there are a lot of different options. You can use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. I mean, all sorts of things that you can use this thing for. So it's great, and these predefined areas are perfect so you get exactly the right size. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to the YouTube thumbnail one, and I'm going to go to the gallery to choose an image that I've already created. And this is an image I got from a video game. And now I'm going to resize it just by dragging my fingers across the screen and getting to that one section of the screen that I really want to capture the image for. Now once you do that, you can add your text. Go ahead and type your text. For this one, I'm doing a Phoenix Point video. So I'm going to go ahead and put in Phoenix Point. And then I can drag my text around. I'm going to go ahead and add a background to it just so that you can, or change the font colors just so you can see it better. But you can change the font to any font you want. You can change the color of the font. You can drag it to get the font bigger. You can tilt it if you want to have it at an angle. There is a background color for options, so you can go ahead and put a color in the background. And see there, you can change the background color. I mean, some of these little features that I really like are not found in a lot of the other thumbnail maker apps. Like the background colors for some fonts I couldn't find in some places. Now if I double click on the text box, I can then go back in and edit the text that I've already put in and add some more information to it if I need to, or delete it. And this is a fairly new feature in this thumbnail maker. Actually, I requested it, and it's wonderful because I sent them a couple requests, and within like the next day they had added them. So they're very responsive too. So here I went down and I added an image, and again, some things that I didn't find in other thumbnail makers, I can resize it to any size I want. Some of them restricted how small you can make it, and then I couldn't get it small enough to put in the corner. So, and some of them wouldn't even allow you to have layers to put one over, another section. So anyway, here I'm going to add another part for the text. I want to add a part 2. I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to add a background, and there is a shadow I can put on the font as well. I can tilt it if I want to, and get it into the right spot. So it's really good for getting things down that you want. There's different layers, as I mentioned. You can kind of move the layers up and down if you want certain text to appear over others. I accidentally hit the back key, so it made sure I didn't want to go back and delete this, which I don't. And that's pretty much it. I did a real quick basic thumbnail. So I'm going to click done, and I'm going to export it and save it. And then I'm just going to go back into my YouTube channel and into YouTube Studio, and I'm going to go find the video that I want. And for this one, then you can go into that video, click the little pencil key at the top to edit it, edit your thumbnail, and there's an option to change it. And you just choose the picture you just did, center it, and you can click save. So again, I really highly recommend this banner thumbnail maker. It's got so many more features than some of the other thumbnail makers out there, and they were really responsive to adding new things when I asked for it. Within like 2 days, it was up, the changes. So it's really cool. So again, check it out. And you're watching Video Gaming Over 40, and this is VGO Girl. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.